Hello, today I am going to show you a new magic with these bricks like this. So I have kept some bricks like this. Also you want to keep same bricks. We play the bricks in another way, but some bricks are lost, so we are using this. Like this we want to keep. Now I will keep some more bricks, but we reuse it like this. We should keep it straight. We want to keep these bricks in a straight line. Now I will keep some more, some front and some back. I have fallen one, but we should not fall the other, because the magic is to fall. You could look how it will fall and it will be the magic. Look in this video. It can fall, but we should keep it slowly so it doesn't fall. Look, now I am keeping some more bricks over front. I am making a straight line, so it will be the magic. Like this we want to keep. I have more bricks, but some are broken, so it's okay. I can reuse in this video. We should reuse this, because what happened? Some kids what do, it scratch or its colors gone, then they throw it. But we have paintings, we can color it with that. So you also do it like this. And now only bricks are remain, only this much. And look how big our line is. Our line is happened this much big, so we will make it more bigger. But it can fall. We should do it slowly. Now I will fall it. Now see how it is going to be. Now look how it is going to be. Now look, I will fall it. Now how it will be, I can show you. Look, it is going to be awesome. I will show you. Ready, steady, and this is our magic. Look how it is. It could fall like this. It begins like a road. This is a magic. I will show you one more magic. How much magic I know, I will show you all them, whatever. Okay, so inside this I have kept a ball. Now I will disappear the ball now. Look, now I will show how it will do. Look, I have kept a ball. I will disappear the ball now. Abracadabra, disappear, disappear, disappear. Now look, it's disappeared. Look where it's gone. Look, it's disappeared. Now come, come, abracadabra, come, 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 come. Now look, it is came. The magic is, when we keep it like this, we should do the hands. We should do the hands like these. Look, I will show you how. The ball will be disappeared when we will keep the hand over here. look, the ball will be disappear. And when we do, we keep the ball like this and we open it. This is our today's magic. Two magics. This one and this one. You should do our channel like, share and subscribe. And subscribes near button there is bell icon. You should press it so you will get the new videos. Means new notifications. Thank you.